Hello and welcome to the A.D.S agency, where we work to bring you the very best in marketing and branding tips, as well as business tips for those of you who are entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, or just working on your own personal brand out there. Welcome and thanks so much for coming. Today we're chatting all about IGTV. Instagram just came out with their own version of TV. They're claiming that this landscape version of TV is no bueno because everybody's on their phones and we need to be looking at it this way. Not this way, this way. Vertical. So their mantra on all of this is mobile first. They want to be thinking everybody hold their phones naturally the way they hold it anyway. Instead of looking at videos that way, we're going to look at it this way. So mobile first, and they're also talking about quality. They think you'll have more quality if you're looking at content from people you already love and admire and follow anyway. And so let's see, what else here were they talking about? Oh yeah, and they just hit the 1 billion mark in followership. So that's awesome for Instagram. Congrats. 8 years in business, not too shabby. Also, you just got bought by Facebook a couple years back. So this is a big move for Instagram. It's a big, bold move they're trying. What remains to be seen is how will that compete with YouTube? That definitely remains to be seen, and it's far too early to even say. I think it's going to be two different concepts. You know, you've got one controlled by Facebook, one controlled by Google. One is a very powerful search engine. I mean, it is powered by the world's most powerful search engine. And then you've got another powered by the world's most powerful social media platform, Facebook. So, you know, it remains to be seen what really comes of these two things. One of the things the Instagram people were citing was how much teenagers in particular were not watching traditional TV. I mean, it's just taking over everything. Sports is feeling it as well. Millennials aren't going out to sporting events as much anymore either. You know, and so all of this is coming down to digital, mobile, and trying to adapt to that world. So Instagram came out with IGTV. They had a big, huge launch party out in San Fran last week, and that was interesting. You can see that live. We'll link to that as well. We have tips on launch parties as well. That one was a pretty huge one, very nicely done, and quite interesting. So today I'm going to walk you through what is IGTV, how do we use it, what is it for, how can we upload content. Anybody can be a content owner, channel owner there. All you have to do is upload a video. And so some of the things that change is, instead of, it used to be like 10 or 15 seconds, something ridiculously short on Instagram. Now the max time is a minute, which is far better. You know, you get a lot more breathing room there. IGTV takes the content to 10 minutes. So anybody can post up to a 10-minute video quite easily through this platform. The catch is they're saying that you can also do up to an hour. It's not really true for most people. If you don't have a huge account, a lot of followers, and I'm still actually tweeted to Instagram TV, they'll probably give me that answer by the time this is over. So if so, I'll incorporate it somewhere in this video. But you have to have a pretty big account in order to get hour-long content. But for now, everybody can do a 10-minute video. And so we'll walk through what are the requirements, how does this all work, and how do you upload a video anyway. But the basics is not landscape, portrait, vertical this way. All right, cool. So here we go, and we'll chat soon. Okay, so this is what this looks like, and you're gonna immediately see content playing, whether you like it or not. Some may like it, some may not. It's supposed to be content that you like. I can't stand seeing this little girl dance because, I mean, every time I open this thing, that's what I see, and that's not what I like. But in any case, click on IGTV, click that little cogwheel, and it will bring you here where it says create channel. Very easy. You just click that. Click next, it'll walk you through. It's sharing with you everything we talked about so far, that it's longer videos and that it should be vertical. And so you're going to look for your channel to the right, that little bitty tiny button with your logo on the right. Click that. And then click upload video. And then you find your video. It's only going to show you the stuff that fits its requirements. So it has to be 10 minutes or less. You can't crop it in the video when you get there, okay? So we're going to put in a title and description. I'll go ahead and do that for you. Boom. 8 business lessons I learned from my dad, okay? And this is a little longer than 10 minutes, so I had to do this in 2 parts. So it's uploading now. It's going to take forever. So I'm going to spare you watching this girl dance in Times Square, wherever she is. I mean, seriously, if I see her dance one more time, she's still dancing. All right, but my video's uploaded. So this is what this looks like on your channel. Boom. Your channel looks just like this. When you get more videos, you'll see them lined up at the bottom. And so if you just click through, you'll see this here. And this is just a shameless plug for the A.D.S agency, by the way, while we're here. If you click that plus sign on the right, that's how you can add more videos. So once you add one, clicking the plus sign will let you add more. And then you just click next, putting your descriptions and titles as before. You can edit the cover as well. So if you want to change the cover photo, which I probably should have done for that first video because I kind of hate my face, the way it's sitting there for that first one, but it's okay. So that IGTV button will be now on your profile. You can see that there. If you try to switch profile accounts, you're going to get this message where it says you can't switch accounts while you're uploading something. So meanwhile, this is the web version. So online, you'll see this IGTV channel in the middle between posts and saved. And that was not there yesterday. So this is the area where they're having issues, this web version, and I really hope they get it fixed. But when you click on this, you should be able to upload a video. But when you click on it, nothing happens, IGTV. So we know you're working on it furiously. We hope you get that fixed soon. So that would be so nice to be able to upload directly from the web. So hopefully you'll see that soon. Otherwise, you'll have to do it through mobile until then. And that's it. So thanks so much for joining us. We hope this was helpful, and we are all learning IGTV together. We'll see where this goes. Wishing Instagram all the best of luck, and YouTubers, don't be afraid. I mean, I think there's 2 different opportunities here to cater to different audiences with different kinds of content. If you've got a strong YouTube channel, stay here. You're not going anywhere. YouTube's still a fantastic opportunity to audience build and get content out to those who follow you anyway. IGTV is just another way to do longer form video content on a different platform. It's just, instead of this way, it's this way. Ha. All right, cheers. Thanks so much for coming. And if this is your first time here, or if you've been coming for a few videos now and you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is click the button below. It's down there, you can find it. And also there's a little bell for YouTube notifications. So every time we upload a video here, you'll get a notification so you won't miss it. All right, and you can also follow us anywhere else we are on social media: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, at the A.D.S Agency. That's THEADS Agency. You can check out our website at theadsagency.co/blog if you want to see the blog. And otherwise, thank you so much for being here. Cheers and have a beautiful golden day.